keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
Hello students of Thakur Vidya Mandir. Hope everything is good at your end. God bless each one of you all. Let's start with today's topic. Today's topic is few amazing facts about birds. Children, you will have a look at this beautiful animation of ostrich and a photo of ostrich. The common ostrich or simply ostrich is a species of large flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa. Students, in this slide you will read about cardinals. Cardinals like to cover themselves in ants. Cardinals, along with the several other bird species, sometimes cover themselves in crushed or living ants, smearing them over their feathers or allowing ants to crawl on them, while scientists still aren't sure what the purpose of anting is. Some believe the birds use the formic acid secreted during their ant birth to help get rid of lice and other parasites.
Owls devour their prey whole. When owls catch larger animals like raccoons and rabbits, for instance, they tear them up into more manageable bite size pieces. But they have also been known to simply swallow smaller animals from insects to mites in a whole. Owls then regurgitate pellets full of indigestible elements of their meal like animals' bones and fur. Students, please note the meaning of regurgitate. Regurgitate means to bring food that has been swallowed back up into the mouth again.
Students, please read this interesting slide of duck. Some ducks sleep with one eye open. When they nap in groups, the duck on the perimeter keep guard by sleeping with one eye open, while the other ducks sleep more deeply. Those on the outside of the circle also keep one side of their brain awake, even as they doze, so that predators won't be able to sneak up on them. Bayesian. This slide you are going to read very carefully and very happily, children. This is all about a bird. Bayesian thrushes find food by farting. Vomiting Bayesian thrushes have been known to dislodge their prey from piles of leaves by directing their farts at them. The excretion of gas shifts the leaf litter on the ground and apparently provokes worms to move around, revealing their location. Students, this is my favorite slide and my favorite reading on this topic. It is all about why are flamingos pink. For flamingos, the phrase you are what you eat holds more truth than it might for humans. Students, please read this slide very carefully. You will definitely. Jai Hind, students, and thank you for your patience in reading this topic of birds very carefully. Thank you, students. Wish you a happy and a good day ahead.